Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Working through previous year's exam papers is a super way to revise and be best prepared for your ABRSM Music Theory exam. I've worked through every single question with you on every past exam paper from grades 1 to 5 in the years 2014 all the way through to 2018 to help you really get to grips with your knowledge of music theory. In this short video, you'll find links in the cards and in the description box to all 3 videos to work through each question of Grade 1, Paper C from the 2017 past exam paper. Grade 1 draws on all of the information worked through in the Music Theory and Practice workbook. If you click on the link to the playlist in the description box, you'll find videos where I work with you step by step through each question in this workbook. As an additional help, if you go to my website, you can download some free PDF information sheets. They accompany each step of this series to help you. There's also a page on my website with all of my YouTube videos listed, and you can also find out about the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and techniques on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time come exam day. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find it's all there. If you can give me a like, that would be really super, and please do subscribe and share out the videos. Enjoy your studies. See you next time. Bye.